vector product or cross product. Let A, B be two vectors. The vector product of A, B, A vector and B vector, is equal to A cross B, which is equal to A magnitude, B magnitude, sin theta n cap. Here, this is A vector, this is B vector. It forms an angle theta. Theta angle create करुछि. ये n cap, ये negative n cap, unit vector. Where theta is the angle between A and B, that theta is less than equal to and less than equal to pi. And n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, such that A and B and n cap form the right-handed system. Now, properties of vector product. If either A vector is equal to 0 vector or B vector equal to 0 vector, then theta is not defined. And in this case, we define A cross B vector is equal to 0 vector. A cross B vector is a vector quantity. Always it gives vector. Let A vector and B vector be two non-zero vectors. Then A cross B vector is equal to 0 vector. If and only A vector and B vector are parallel or collinear to each other, that is, A cross B vector equal to 0 vector, then that implies A vector parallel to B vector. If A vector parallel to B vector, then A cross B vector equal to 0 vector. If A vector cross A vector equal to 0 vector, and then theta is equal to 0. If A vector cross minus A vector equal to 0 vector, then theta is equal to pi. If theta is equal to pi by 2, then A vector cross B vector is equal to A magnitude and B vector magnitude. Six properties, that is I, J cap and K cap. Right-handed thumb rule. I cross I vector equal to J cross J vector, which is equal to K vector cross K vector, that equal to 0 vector. I cross J vector equal to K vector. J cross K vector equal to I vector. Then K cross I vector equal to J vector. J cap. Then J cap cross I cap is equal to minus K cap. So I cap cross K cap is equal to minus J cap. K cap cross J cap is equal to minus I cap. The angle between two vectors A and B may be given as sin theta is equal to A cross B vector magnitude divided by A magnitude, B magnitude. This is sin theta. Eighth point. A cross B vector is equal to minus B cross A. It is not commutative. If A and B represent the adjacent sides of a triangle, then its area is given as delta, which is equal to half into A cross B ka magnitude. That means this is A vector, this is B vector, this creates angle theta. So that area of the triangle is equal half into A cross B vector ka magnitude. If A vector and B vector be two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then area is given as delta, which is equal to A cross B ka magnitude. That is A vector, this is B vector, then area is equal to A cross B ka magnitude. Now distributivity of a vector product over addition. If A vector, B vector and C vector are any three vectors and lambda be scalar, then A cross B plus C vector is equal to A cross B vector plus A cross C vector. Now lambda A cross B is equal to lambda A cross lambda only B vector. That is A vector is cross lambda B vector. This is the distributive law for addition. Let A vector is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap. B vector is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. Then A cross B vector is equal to I cap j cap k cap A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3. This is A cross B. Find A cross B का magnitude if A vector is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap plus 3 k cap, B vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 2 k cap. Then you have to find out A cross B. How? I cross I j k vector, k unit vector, that is 2, 1, 3, that is 3, 5, minus 2. Then it's determinate, that means I into minus 2 minus 15. Then minus 4 into minus 4 minus 9 into jk plus 10 minus 3 kk is equal to minus 17 ik plus 13 jk plus 7 kk. Now its magnitude is equal to A cross B का magnitude, that is minus 17 का whole square plus 13 का whole square plus 7 का whole square का root over, that is root 507. Find the unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector A plus B vector and A minus B vector. Where A vector is equal to I k plus j k plus k k. B vector is equal to I k plus 2 j k plus 3 k k. Now A vector plus B vector is equal to 2 I k plus 3 j k plus 4 k k. A vector minus B vector is equal to I plus j plus k minus I plus 2j plus 3k is equal to 0 ik minus jk minus 2k. A vector which is perpendicular to both A plus B vector and A minus B vector is given. Now A plus B cross A minus B vector is equal to I, jk, kk, 2, 3, 4, 0, minus 1, minus 2, which is equal to minus 2 ik plus 4 jk minus 2 kk. Let's say that it is C vector, the minus 2 ik plus 4 jk minus 2 kk. Now C vector का magnitude is equal to 2 minus 2 का square 4, 4 का square 16, minus 2 का square 4 का root over, that is equal to minus 24, which root over value is 2 root 6. Now C unit vector that we know, that is C vector divided by C का magnitude, which is equal to minus 2 ik plus 4 jk minus 2 kk divided by 2 root 6. Now minus 1 by root 6 ik plus 2 by root 6 jk minus 1 by root kk. These are the unit vector. Find unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors 2 ik minus jk plus kk, 3 ik plus 4 jk minus kk. Find the sign of the angle between two vectors. A cross B vector is equal to I cap, j cap, k cap, 2 minus 1, 1, 3, 4 minus 1. 1 minus 4 into I cap, 3 plus 2 j cap, plus 8 plus 3 k cap, minus 3 I cap, plus j cap, plus 11 k cap. Now A cross B का magnitude is equal to minus 3 whole square plus 5 square plus 11 square का root over, that is 925, 121 का root over, 155 का root over. So unit vector perpendicular to A and B vector, that is A cross B का magnitude A cross B divided by A cross B का magnitude, that is minus 3 ik plus 5 jk plus 11 kk root over 155. So value comes minus 3 by 1 root over 155 ik plus 5 by root over 155 jk plus 11 by root over 155 kk. Now साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू ए क्रॉस बी वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड डिवाइडेड बाय ए का मैग्नीट्यूड इंटू बी का मैग्नीट्यूड, दैट इज रूट 155 divided by 4 plus 1 plus 1 root over 9 plus 16 plus 1 का root over. So that root 155 divided by root 156 is the sin theta value. Find the area of a triangle having the points A1, 1, 1, B1, 2, 3 and C2, 3, 1. Its vector, it is vertices. This is a vertices, this is B vertices, this is C vertices, which is given. Now AB vector is equal to B minus A. That means 1 minus 1 I cap, 2 minus 1 J cap, 3 plus 3 minus 1 K cap, 0 I cap, J cap plus 2 K cap. SC vector is equal to C vector minus A vector, 2 minus 1 I cap, 3 minus 1 J cap, 1 minus 1 K cap, I cap plus 2 J cap plus 0 K cap. Now B cross SC is equal to I cap, J cap, K cap, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0 is equal to minus 4 I cap plus 2 J cap minus K cap. Now its magnitude is equal to minus 4 का whole square, 2 का square plus minus 1 का whole square का root of, that is 16 plus 4 plus 1, that is root 21. The required area of the triangle is half into root 21. This is the required area of a triangle. If you want to say that is the area of the triangle, that is equal to 1 by 2 root 21. Now find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vector A vector 3 I cap plus J cap plus 4 K cap and B vector I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Now A cross B vector is equal to I cap J cap K cap 3 1 4 1 minus 1 1 1 plus 4 I cap minus J into 3 minus 4 plus K cap into minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to 5 I cap plus J cap minus 4 K cap. Now A cross B का magnitude is equal to 25 plus 1 का plus 16 का root over, which is equal to root 42. So required area is equal to A cross B का magnitude, which is equal to root 42. Prove by vector method that in any triangle ABC, A by sin A plus B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Let ABC be a triangle. That BC vector is equal to A vector, CA vector, B vector, and AB vector is C vector. That this A vector, this is B vector, this is C vector. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 0 vector. Means A is equal to minus B vector minus C vector. And A cross B is equal to minus B minus C cross B vector. Now A cross B is equal to minus B vector cross B vector minus C vector cross B vector. That is minus B vector cross B vector is equal to 0 vector plus B vector cross C vector. That means that the result B vector cross C vector. Similarly, B cross C vector is equal to C cross A vector. Now A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to C cross A. Now magnitude of these are same. Now after finding the magnitude, then half multiplied. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into A plus B. The magnitude is equal to 1 by 2 B cross C का magnitude, then 1 by 2 C vector cross A vector. Area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into A cross B का magnitude is equal to half into B cross C का magnitude is equal to half into C cross C का A का magnitude. After dividing, that is 1 2 2 2 2 cutting, that is A cross B का magnitude, B cross C का magnitude is equal to C cross A का magnitude. Now A vector का magnitude B vector का magnitude sin C is equal to B vector plus C vector का magnitude sin A is equal to C vector का magnitude A vector का magnitude sin B. Now ABC sin C is equal to BC sin A is equal to CA sin B. Now, after dividing ABC in both the sides, it gives the value sin C by small c, sin A by small a, sin B by small b. That means A by sin A, B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. So that the vector area of the triangle whose vertices have position vectors A vector, B vector, C vector is half A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. Let ABC be a triangle whose vertices ABC have position vector A vector, B vector, C vector respectively. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is B vector, this is C vector, this is A vector, position vector is given. Now A B vector is equal to B minus C, B minus A. C vector is equal to C minus A vector. Vector area of the triangle half into A B cross AC. Half into B minus A cross C minus A. That means after finding the value, this gives A cross B. After taking 0 here, A cross B, A का value 0 vector. So that's why remaining B cross C vector plus A cross B vector is equal plus C cross A vector. Hence proved the question. B cross C plus A cross B plus C cross A. Here this value equals to 0. That's why it is proved. For more video, please subscribe and give the comments and share it.